this video, we're going to take a quick look at the sign-up process and the trial features. So simply head over to our website, click on the plan you would like to try out for free, and click the button. Then choose whether you're an agency or a brand. Enter your first name, your surname, and your company name, followed by your email address. Choose a password and agree to the terms and service and privacy policy. After hitting next, you simply have to enter your credit card details or start the free trial subscription. And that's the end of the sign up process. So if you head over to campaigns, you can start a new campaign. If you head over to discover, you can start to make searches on our database. So to make your first search, simply type in an influencer's name. It can be a username or it can just be their name, and hit search. And as you see, the first 4 profiles will be available and the others will be blurred out. If you unlock, then you simply upgrade and see all of the remaining profiles. To do that, you can click the button here and you'll be immediately taken to our upgrade page where you can see which plan you want to upgrade to, and at the click of a button you can do so.